He was born amid war and lived long enough to see the old world fade. He was Black Elk, an Oglala Lakota holy man whose visions became a bridge between worlds. Born in 1863 along the Little Powder River, Black Elk was a child when his people still roamed free. At 9, he fell ill and lay unconscious for days. In that time, he saw a vision, a great sacred hoop that encircled all peoples, with horses of every color galloping beneath a mighty tree of life. Thunder beings gave him power and told him he would help heal his nation. He awoke changed. His vision became his duty. Through his youth, the world around him collapsed. He witnessed the Battle of the Little Bighorn at 13, saw victory turn to exile, and later saw his people confined to reservations. Yet his spiritual insight only deepened. In 1886, he joined Buffalo Bill's Wild West show and traveled to Europe, a Lakota on a foreign stage before kings and crowds. He saw modernity and power, but also emptiness. He realized his vision was not just for the Lakota, it was for humanity. He returned home to tragedy. In 1890, he was present at Wounded Knee, where hundreds of his people were massacred. He tried to heal the wounded. He prayed over the dying. The sacred hoop, he felt, had been broken. Yet he never lost faith that it could be mended. He became a Catholic catechist later in life, not from abandonment of his roots, but from the belief that all paths could lead back to the Great Spirit. When writer John Neihardt visited him in 1930, Black Elk shared his life story, recorded as Black Elk Speaks. Through those words, his vision of the sacred hoop reached the world. He said, "The power of the world always works in circles." His life embodied that truth. War and peace, loss and renewal, tradition and change, all circling toward understanding. Black Elk died in 1950. His spirit remains a guide, the reminder that wisdom does not fade with defeat, and that healing begins when we remember the circle that connects all living things. Sources in description. Subscribe for Episode 9, Chief Seattle, Words That Echo Through Time.